Alright guys, a little off topic, but who else is loving this cold weather? I hate the cold, but my car loves it. Obviously my volts are way higher. I'm about to show you guys what's up with that. Like 14 at idle. I think it's badass. It's like at 2K. Stopped. We were driving around and the volts were up to like 14.4, 0.5, 0.6. I even saw it hit 0.7. Summer sucks for this car because I think it was like at 13.3 at idle when it was like 90 degrees, 100 degrees, but yeah, 14 at idle is impressive for this car. 60 amp alt. I mean, for what it is, it's badass. But yeah, a little off topic. You guys should post some vids of what your cars are doing now since it's colder. But yeah, peace.